we're about to pass by the peace wall, which divides the unionist and nationalist community. We're currently on the unionist side of the wall, and as we go by, you're going to see lots and lots of names written, messages written, and that is because this is one of the only places where you're free to write anything you want, any kind of message or even a signature, something like that. And as a result, we've had quite a few, not just general signatures, but famous people coming to sign this wall and to leave messages. Probably the most famous message and signature would have to be that of the Dalai Lama. The Dalai Lama left a very poetic message. His message was, open your arms to change, but do not let go of your values. Very moving, very poetic. We also have a signature from Bill Clinton, who came here to make a number of speeches during the Troubles and was very important in pushing forward the Good Friday Agreement alongside Hillary Clinton. So we will see a section of that wall dedicated to those famous signatures coming up in just a little bit. They are held behind slabs of metal which protect them from damage. So we'll see that coming up in just a bit. The wall was created shortly after the outbreak of conflict in 1969 to divide the two communities. So fiercely opposed were there. And so literally just right over this wall, you have the nationalist community and the unionist community who are here at the minute. Here, you'll see those famous signatures written on the wall, and you also see that quote by the Dalai Lama